If your child is on formula milk until a year, after that, should you continue giving that formula milk or not? Most of them come up with this question. Most of them continue to offer different varieties of toddler formulas. And there is a WHO recommendation that it is definitely not necessary. There is a lot of marketing happening on toddler formula, but you must remember babies need formula only till a year because it is an alternative to breast milk. And once they complete their 1 year, their gut is ready to take cow's milk as a drink or plant-based milk as a drink, and definitely the nutrition is taken care by solid food. After 12 months, they need more of solids, right, for all their nutritional requirement. If at all you continue to give this formula milk, you know what will happen? One is it will hit on their appetite. Their tummy is very small, right? If you fill it with that milk, they will take less of a solid and this will hit their appetite. And in turn, you can see nutritional deficiencies because your child is just taking formula milk and not the solids like fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses. There is a lot of nutrition deficiency that may happen. And there are chances that your child turns to be a fuzzy eater. If you think it is easy to give a glass of milk, then tomorrow if you're out, and because it will make them hungry very soon. Liquid is liquid and solid will keep them full for a longer time, and that is when they become fuzzy, and no one would be welcoming this, right? And if at all you are doubtful, it is always recommended to talk with your pediatrician. And all the best. Happy parenting.